Hello guys, welcome back to another video of becoming a code expert. If you're a beginner and you wanted to explore more into the concepts of Python and got really bored by studying theoretically, then this video is for you. In this video, we'll be creating a password strength checker in Python only using the console. Before getting into the video, make sure to subscribe my channel so that you don't miss any further updates. Now let's get into the video. I'll explain what we are actually doing in this project. So now we have a password and let us see what should be inside a password. So password consists of uppercase, lowercase, digits and symbols. So basically a combination of all these characters will make it a strong password. And in this project we are going to check whether a password is strong, moderate or weak. So first I'll assign all of these to 0 and then we'll calculate the number of times all of these characters occur in the password, and then we will determine the strength of the password. So first let us see what are the conditions that is required for determining the strength of the password. So first let us see for strong password. For a strong password, the length should be greater than or equal to 8 and there should be uppercase, lowercase, digits and symbols. So the number of uppercase, lowercase, digits and numbers should be greater than 0. And second is for the moderate. In a moderate password, the length should be greater than or equal to 6 and there should be digits, uppercase and lowercase. Even if there is no symbols, it will be considered as a moderate password. And the third is for weak. In a weak password, the length will be less than 6 and either the upper or the lowercase will be 0. This is the weak password. Now let's get into the code. So first let us give a welcome message to the user as welcome to password strength checker. And the next step is we are going to give a while loop to iterate through the password and increment each of the occurrence by 1. So I'll explain what happens here. A for loop to iterate through the password, and then what happens is when an uppercase or lowercase or digit or symbol is recognized, the variable will be incremented by 1 each time it occurs. Each time it recognizes the uppercase or lowercase or digit or symbol, and then the strength will be determined. And why we use while loop here is because after the strength is determined, it will again ask the user whether they want to check any other password or not. If yes, it will again iterate through the next password, and if no, it will come out of the loop through a break statement. This is why we use while loop here. Now let's get into the code. I'm using a while true and then I'm getting the password from the user. The next step is to calculate the length of the password, and then I'm initializing upper, lower, digits and symbols to 0, and then I'm using a for loop to iterate through the password. Char is the iterating variable, and then if the character is an uppercase, then the upper will be incremented by 1. So we use is upper function for this. And if the character is lowercase, then is lower function is used and the lower variable will be incremented by 1. And use is digit function to check whether it is a digit, and the digits will be incremented by 1. Finally, if none of these are present, it will be obviously a symbol, so the symbols will be incremented by 1. The next step is to calculate the strength of the password. So if the length is greater than 8 and upper is greater than 0, lower digits and everything is greater than 0, then it will be a strong password. Else, if the length is greater than or equal to 6 and there are only digits uppercase and lowercase characters, then it will be a moderate password. And if the length is less than 6 and any of these, that is the upper or the lowercase, is equal to 0, then it will be a weak password. Now I'm printing a password analysis. Now I'm printing the length of the password, and then I'm printing the number of lowercase letters, and then I'm printing the number of uppercase letters, and then I'm printing the number of digits, and then I'm printing the number of symbols in this password, and finally the strength of the password is printed. And now I'm asking the user whether they want to test another password or not, and this is converted to lowercase. And if the answer is not equal to S, then it will be no. So it will be thank you, stay safe online. Else it will again repeat the password checking. And then I'm giving a break statement to come out of the loop if the answer is not equal to S. I hope you like this video. Make sure to like this video, and if you have any doubts, drop in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.